These are in my top 3 favorite wraps. They are Angelic Bakehouse brand. They are sprouted whole grains. These are the turmeric and sweet potato wraps. These are my favorite. So they're 110 calories per wrap, and as you can see, there's a lot of fiber involved with these. But if you look at the ingredient list, wonderful. Sprouted whole grains, wheat berries, quinoa, millet, barley, rye, whole wheat flour, sweet potatoes, so on and so forth. There's agave syrup, sunflower oil, oats, turmeric, so on and so forth, beet juice, extract, and all that. So there's so much healthy stuff in these, and they are non-GMO. There's a lot of whole grains, 22 grams of whole grains. So this is a good choice on your tortillas. So absolute favorite. Let's make a chicken wrap. Let's start out with the turmeric and sweet potato tortilla. Now we're gonna add some chicken. How about a little bit of avocado? Let's add some onion and a little bit of spinach. And a little bit of spinach. You don't have to add any additional condiments or sauces to it, but I am going to add a little bit of honey mustard. And there you have it. All done.